Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, I think we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which I'm expecting to go down to about the 50% before we get another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the monthly and the weekly. I still think this is a wave A. At some point, it probably is going to make a move to the upside. Whether it makes a new low first is still questionable. The trend is down, so I definitely will continue to look for shorts. Like I said, at some point, it is going to have to make a big move to the upside for a wave B and another big push to the downside for a wave C. These are the weekly, monthly time frames, though, so expect this to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, the trend is down on all the higher time frames. So when the trend is down on all the higher time frames, the only thing I'm doing is looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, another beautiful sorting opportunity yesterday. One, two, three waves up, impulsive down, which is a little clearer to see on the 1 hour. If you've been doing nothing but looking for sorts these last few weeks, you have been absolutely killing it like we have. One, two, three waves up, go sort. One, two, three waves up, go sort. It's very, very simple. The only thing that makes it difficult is the traders themselves. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we never had a breaker structure to the upside on the higher roadmap time frames. Now, if this goes down and makes a new low like this, then I'll move my structure break to here. And if price does go up and break that structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. Otherwise, I am definitely still looking for shorts. The only strategy right now is to either be patiently waiting for more three-way pullbacks to go short, or the strategy is to be waiting for an exit on a short that you're already in. I would not even think about going long, at least until we get a significant breaker structure to the upside. I would definitely continue to go short at the end of every single three-way pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. You have to remember that the trend is your friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.